Hey, what's up everybody? Too Tall Toby here, and in today's power move, I'm going to show you a quick tip that'll save you just a little bit of time the next time you have to open a complex assembly.
Ow!
So here we can see that I'm in SolidWorks, and my goal is to open this assembly of the sauna. And as you could imagine, this sauna is a top-level assembly, which has several sub-assemblies underneath of it. So I go to the File Open command, and when I do, we can see here that there are some quick filters down here in the lower right. These quick filters allow us to change from viewing all files to viewing, for example, only assembly files. You'll notice when I click the assembly from the flyout menu, it activates this little quick filter button as well. Or I could say that I want to see just assemblies and parts that are in this directory, or I could maybe say that I only want to see drawings in this directory. Looks like I don't have any drawings in this directory. But when I filter for assemblies only, you can see that there are several assemblies in this directory, and I really don't know which one is the top level assembly. Well, did you know that this fourth icon over here will solve that issue? If I click this fourth icon, what SolidWorks does is it looks at the entire directory, it looks at any assembly that's in that directory, and it looks to see if there's any higher level assemblies that are looking down on that assembly, and if there are, that assembly is hidden. In other words, any sub-assemblies that are in this directory are hidden, and only the top-level assembly that exists in this directory is shown. And that makes it very easy for me to determine which assembly is the top level, at which point I can double-click on it to open it. So it's just a quick little tip that I wanted to share with you today, but it's one that has saved me a lot of time and a lot of frustration. And if you enjoyed this tip today, be sure to like, be sure to subscribe, and of course, be sure to share this video with a fellow SolidWorks enthusiast. And I will see you in the next episode of Power Moves.